Okay, so going to make a video here with your pitch control mark. Wouldn't ordinarily do this, but I've got a new, to me, camera that I'm trying to learn how to use and maybe help me make a little faster video. So I've got a 300 hertz test cassette here that I bought on eBay actually, and it's not a bad tape. And I'm going to put that in there and show the process for you of how to get the correct speed on it once you get the board back, and then just the repair that's been done and how it's working. So I just need to rewind this just a little bit. Go back to the beginning. Alright. Trigger this. This is a program I just now downloaded, and so I'm just learning how to use it. And I don't think it's doing... Oh no, it's not connected. Okay, I may need to restart this because I didn't actually have it connected. Oh. Okay, there we go. Now it's working. Okay, so I've got, this is a free program I just downloaded. It's called Dagarta. It's free, and I didn't know if you had something to set your speed with or not, or to check the frequency on it, the frequency counter. And the frequency counter is built into this program. So I'm just trying to get to that 3,000 hertz. And that's pretty good. And that's about, I want to run these about 3,003 or maybe a drop more, but right in through here. Okay, I mean that's pretty much right on 3,000. Okay, and then as far as the new trim pot goes here, this is working now. I've cleaned the switch several times. You see the frequency, and I've got to put the extension on this, but here we are, one direction, and here we are the other direction. So it's doing what it should do, and it's stable. And just dial it into about the right spot. Kind of hard to do with that pad in the way. But there it is at its normal speed. Maybe I'll run this back and forth here too so you can see that it's working correctly, and it's holding its speed. So I'm going up and bring it back down. And try to get it right. So this is what you'll do, is you'll be downloading, if you don't have an oscilloscope or frequency counter or maybe a DVM with a frequency counter on it, just hooking it up to your computer and getting that to 3,000, and I'll be burning your tape here when I'm done, probably on this machine. Okay, so it's maintaining that, and there you go. This will be in the mail back to you very soon. Okay, well actually I thought it might be fun to just go ahead and do this wound flutter test too while I'm here. So start this up. Now I just changed this over to a tape that I've actually made myself on a pretty good machine. And So here's our flutter in RMS. So you won't do any, I mean, the tape I make you, it won't be any better than this because I didn't make it on this machine, but I made it on a machine that's similar to this one, similarly good. And you can see our speed here has gone down just a little bit, and that's because it's a different tape, and that's why I like to run them just a little bit on the high side, because that happens. So, and you can use this program too. This is a free program too. So I'm going to run that maybe, yeah, right about, it slipped. Okay. So there's, the tape you'll be getting will be similar to this one. So there we go. I hope this video did okay. I have no idea if it's picking up audio or anything. I'm just trying this camera out actually for the very first time. So we'll see what happens. Thanks, Mark.